Presenting the Redmi 9A smartphone. The phone comes in midnight black, nature green and sea blue colors. These phones come in two models. One is with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, and the other model comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. However, memory can be expanded up to 512GB. This is a dual SIM Nano plus Nano phone. It is a 6.53-inch HD Plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen with 1600 x 720 pixels resolution, 268 ppi pixel density and 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is equipped with 13 megapixel rear camera with AI portrait, AI scene recognition, HDR and Pro mode. It has a 5 megapixel front camera. Redmi 9A is powered by Android V10 operating system with up to 2.0 GHz clock speed MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor. It is equipped with 5000 mAh lithium polymer large battery with 10-watt wired charger in box. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. It comes with standard brand warranty.